Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this Realme. You need to begin by opening settings and tapping on display and brightness. Following that, click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can always go into tab menu as well and manage adaptive brightness thanks to this shortcut next to brightness slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!